and welcome back to another edition of the Big Orange Bird. Well, today I'm going to get like 3 birds with 1 stone, not orange birds. The first thing is I'm flying with a friend of mine, Paul. You've seen him in a previous episode, the Avid Flyer. And he and I are going to take the Big Orange Bird, and we're going to go to Lovettsville, Virginia, Victor Alpha 61. It's a 3,000 foot grass strip in Northern Virginia. The owner is looking to put it on the RAF's website. He allows you to come in there, allows you to camp. There's a pond you can fish. A neat place to go for a night or a weekend. Secondly, he's having a community fly-in there today. So there'll be lots of interesting planes to see, and that should be a lot of fun. Thirdly, I'm meeting another friend of mine, Les Golick, there from the Beech Aero Club. If you remember a few episodes back, I did the Beech Aero Club's Relay, where I picked up the relay package from another fella, Jay Jones, down in North Carolina, brought it back here to Virginia, and now I'm moving it on to Northern Virginia, where Les will pick it up and take it to his home in Maryland. So we're going to move one step further. He'll also pick up BACcy Bear that you saw before, and so I'm getting 3 birds with 1 stone. Come along. So we are going to do the we're going to do the Beech Aero Club Relay handoff of the flag.
The flag.
Hold that up over there like that.
Oh.
Ah. So the thing we got to do. What a fun day. Yeah, Lovettsville was great. The strip there, a little up and down, undulating, so not the smoothest field in the world. That just makes it a little challenging and makes it a little interesting. Got in and out of there, no problems though. Stopped at White Post on the way up there to set the cameras up, and turns out Paul knew everybody there. So we spent a lot more time there than we had anticipated, but that was great. Good to meet a bunch of guys there. Lovettsville did fill out the paperwork for the RAF, so look for that on the RAF's website in the coming weeks. We should have that up and posted, and you can give him a call and go in there. He does want to call first, just because there are areas that get soft after rains. He wants to make sure everything's safe, but everything's good. He'll be glad to have you come in. So give him a call, come on in there. We're successful with the Beech Aero Club getting the package and BACcy Bear handed off. It's on its way to Maryland, and who knows where it goes from there. But I hope you enjoyed this one. It was great flying around with Paul. And until next time, if you did like it, hit that like button, subscribe so you'll get all these, and push that, ring that bell so you'll get notified that I put something out. Appreciate it. Thanks a lot.